What up, E-Crew? Welcome back to this channel. On today's ride, I'm riding my Super73 Z1 around La Puente and West Covina area. I typically don't like to street ride so much because people drive so fast around here. But it's gonna be me and my buddy Will. He actually is just having problems with his Super73 S2. So he's borrowing mine for the time being. It's gonna be a leisure ride towards Santa Fe Dam, about 15 to 20 miles. Let's cue in the B-roll. Just about when we were starting to start a ride, his Super73 S2 would not turn on, or would not throttle. The power button was having some kind of issue. Spent about 15 to 20 minutes resetting the firmware, trying to reconnect and all that stuff, and it was just no good. What a bummer. So he has to write a ticket. So he's gonna contact customer support. But we all know how annoying that gets. You need to provide some kind of video proof and all that hassle. So I take it you haven't proposed yet. I just learned today my cousin Joseph just proposed. Everyone's, getting back on track with life, I guess. What are you doing tomorrow?
I don't have plans. I just need to do laundry, but I'll probably do it tonight.
Let's go mountain bike.
Huh?
I'll show you mountain bike tomorrow. No. It's fun, easy stuff. What are you talking about?
I'm good at the mountain bike.
Why not? Why not? I need more electric mountain bike friends. And this part I always, you could always slide out here. Yucky water, whatever that is. But you see how there's no grit? I tried to ask the city about it, because if I can fall, all the motorbikers definitely would fall there. I've fallen in that little corner with a Super73 just by turning at like 10 miles per hour. I slid out. Alright, straight shot to Santa Fe Dam. Let's get it. Oh yeah, straight. Oh, clear. Green light. Let's roll. Yeah, I feel bad for William. He really likes his Super73. And his went out at around 700 miles. He's having, connection issues, I guess? It just wasn't given power. How do you like that seat?
It's comfortable.
I told you, yeah.
So this is a newer seat?
That's just the R or the RX seat.
Yeah.
And it's shorter, for RP. Like,
Yeah.
the downside is one-seater.
Yeah.
That's the downside. All right, let's check this place out. You could see it was just raining throughout the week, and you could see the snow already right above Azusa area, or foothill, shall I say. 2022. Can't wait to see what e-bikes are released soon. We'll also follow this way. I really wish Super73, I hear, is coming out with a different model. What do you think Super73 is going to come out with next?
Probably something that a rival like surron.
Like an e-moto?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to go towards the body of water, I think the next junction.
Oh.
Yeah, buddy. All right, quick break at the body of water. So my buddy said, yeah, which I agree. I think Super 73 is gonna come up with an e-moto, an electric motorbike. I think we're gonna park on the I don't know, maybe here. Yeah, maybe here's good. Why not? Have you been here?
Not on this side.
Okay. The cool thing about here is during summer months, they actually have camping. And you could fish, you could put out a tent, and like just once a month during summer months. Did you get to see the Spider-Man movie yet?
No, not yet. I was gonna go watch it with Ever, but then I told him that RP had COVID, and then he got kind of. I wasn't sure if he actually wanted to.
Yeah. Damn, I shouldn't be hanging out with you actually.
Well, he has a baby girl and he can't get vaccinated, so. Who?
You haven't seen
No,
RP?
I haven't seen it like in 14 days.
Yeah. Okay. So I have nothing to worry about.
But I haven't seen it.
So she got it from cousins or coworkers? One or the other. I see. All right, we're kind of departing Santa Fe Dam here. Just catching up with my old buddy. Let's do a torque test.
Alright, what did you do that?
Wait, after the people. You're gonna get me in the long run, but this is gonna go in the first like 100 yards. No pedaling, okay?
Okay.
Ready, set, go. Come on, BBSHD. He's gonna get me though. I know that Super 73 is gonna get me. Because this bike only goes up to 22, 25 miles per hour. I'm not fully charged. Where is he? There he is. There it is. Yep. He's like so much heavier than I am. What's your weight again? What's your weight again? 220? No. Keep forgetting. So 160, 220. You have 60 pounds over me. Yep. We need more e-bike buddies, man. Who else are we? You are not enough for me. Yeah, I want mountain biking buddies, to be honest, yeah. Let's pause, yeah? Get a little bit of the sun. What have I done lately to this bike? Nothing. Yeah, I don't think I've done anything. But yeah, this is the Luna middrive BBSHD with a Luna Direwolf battery pack, 52 volt, 21 amp. Should get me around 40 to 50 miles, it looks like. And yeah, my Super 73 S2. Haven't done much to it either. You like the seat?
Yeah, it's comfortable.
More than yours?
I think it's small for me. If it was a little bit bigger, then yeah.
Oh. Yeah, the quality of the foam is good. Yeah, that's why I really recommend these seats. And then like, because it's skinnier, you can pedal easier, like without
really touch your
hurting your inside, your inseams. Check Reddit. Because
most of them are, but
throttle issue or just not powering up his Super. All right, let's roll.
Yep.
We'll be hitting the sunset as we're going down south. I really hope you get that fixed, man.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? That's probably what I'll be doing today after I do laundry.
So you're gonna take it apart and video record it and just troubleshoot?
Yeah.
That's supposed to be a biking area. Now it just has ducks and like a big body of water.
No one wants you to mountain bike.
Well, I have a different trail to go to. Like a much nicer one, but yeah, I've never seen that much water here. Whew. Chilly day. It's always a nice bike path here in Santa Fe Dam. There's nothing wrong with your motor. And
Think so?
no, but if there is, you're still warranted. That's the great part.
Yeah.
But like you said, yeah, it's gonna take like whatever months. Hopefully they have some in stock. Last bit of the sunset. Heading downhill. Let's head home. Pretty cold today. Yo. Alright, so this part is going to be a little bit new, heading towards home this way. I haven't taken it, but let's see how it goes. Honestly, with your setup, with your Ranger extra battery, I think you could have just biked to my house too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it smells. Something here smells. Like, yeah, I don't know. What am I, like maybe 8 miles away from you or something? Heading south. I thought you tried it already, but yeah, I think you just mounted it, but
Yeah.
so it's plus and minus. It only goes up to 5, and then your throttle's on the right side.
Okay, cool. I'll pedal.
It's hard with your length.
I'll try.
Yeah, but yeah, go for it. Why not? Definitely a quieter bike. Yeah, it's small for you. Yeah, I know. Obviously. You're 6'2"? You're like 6'2"? What are you? Just 6? Yeah, it's like a kid's bike for you. Yeah, it's quiet versus the Super 73 here. It looks like a toy on you, dude. Yeah, your knees are like hitting the handlebars.
Yeah, I hit the mirror right now.
Yeah.
It feels really smooth though.
Right, yeah, but
You can kind of feel when it pulls on the chain, but
yeah,
that's it. Like, it's so smooth.
yeah. I just like the quietness of it. But that's how the mountain bike feel. And then the mountain bike is such a lighter bike, and I really thought you would get into it.
Mountain biking?
Yeah.
It's not the bikes that I don't like, it's just the actual mountain biking.
But you can't like knock it until you try it. Have you mountain biked before? See? You're the type that I know that you're like one of the active ones that I know.
I've seen you riding.
I'm not gonna freaking take you to like to die or something. It's a progress, obviously. Like I would treat you like I treat Crystal.
I think you'd have to treat me like you need to be like a baby anymore on that.
Right. If Crystal can do turnable, the trail, and I know you can. It's so easy. Wants to get a feel of the Z1 middrive. No, I don't think this is our bridge, actually. We're looking for Ramona. I don't think this is it. I have to look at my map. It's good probably for Arpy.
Yeah.
And Crystal.
No, I agree. I think she'd love
Yeah.
it.
But I just like the it has torque. Made it for torque.
Yeah, no, it feels really smooth. I'm thinking it's probably hard to break the chain unless you're like going uphill and really like doing the throttle.
Yeah.
But like if you're like easing into it, I don't think you break
Yeah.
the chain. Yeah.
No, and there's e-bike chains, so it's rated for better. Yeah. More durability. He was worried about the chain breaking, but nothing to worry about there. I've driven mid-drives for like over 3,000 miles already. Never had a chain break on me. Yo! At least not on a BBSHD. But if you had like the CYC mid-drives, that's a beast. And if you change the controller to like a BAC, that's definitely much torquier.
That's where I stopped right there.
Where?
I had stopped at like right here, right at that
Oh, the bridge, Lower Azusa?
around, because I was like, I don't know if I can like make it to the dam and back.
Well, how much battery did you have when you
It
stopped?
was pretty low when I got home. I was like probably like 10%. I was going like 10 miles an hour at that point.
Oh, I see. Yeah, then you made a good call.
Yeah, I think so.
All right. We have left the bike path officially. We're on Ramona Bridge towards Baldwin Park area. Navigating to get home. Somewhere here. Riding along Baldwin Park. We're gonna go on the bridge, Will. Yes, sir. Here we go. Phew. Trying to wheelie practice. You. Oh, that was so fun. All right. Yeah, buddy. I gotta see where this guy's going. All right. Thank you. So loud here, but this would be the 10 freeway. I'm pretty close home, and I hope William enjoyed today's ride, but he's gonna need to get his Super 73 fixed. Hello. That's gonna be today's New Year's Day bike ride. Folks, thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super 73, an aerial rider, or a DIY bafang middrive kit. This is E-Bike Adventures, signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.